Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by accessing the Google Sheet you want to open in Excel, copy its URL, or download as XLSX. Once done, sign into the same Google account in Chrome and in Excel so permissions align, and make sure Power Query or Office 365 connected services are enabled in Excel. This step ensures Excel can reach the file. Now open Excel and choose Data Get Data. This connection step is why account parity and Power Query are essential. Now bring the sheet into Excel if you downloaded. XLSX, choose Data from File and open it. For a live connection, publish or export the Google Sheet as CSV and use data from web, pasting the export URL. This provides refreshable data. Once loaded into Power Query, map columns, promote headers, and set data types. Make sure to filter and remove unnecessary columns because cleaning here prevents errors later. When satisfied, click Close and load to push data into Excel. Finish by saving the workbook and testing a refresh. Choose Data Refresh All to confirm the live connection updates. If the query fails, re-authenticate. Sign out, then back into Google in your browser and update credentials in Excel's data source settings, since permission mismatches are the most common issue. Make sure column types remained correct after refreshes, and if you need collaboration, save to OneDrive or use Excel Online. That completes the flow and secures your editable copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.